Hey, what's up? This is Madan here, and I've come up with the next video from Redox reaction. And this is going to be a short one, but I thought it's really important because I wanted to cover each and everything. So for doing so, I thought of coming this topic as well. And what this topic is called stock notation. I've already mentioned here a line of that because I was trying to do this just a bit earlier, but I couldn't do. So right now I'm talking about stock notation. What this is, when oxidation number of a metal is represented, when oxidation number of a metal in a compound is represented within small bracket so they write some specific word for that, within parenthesis. What a parenthesis is? That small bracket we call next to the symbol of the metal in its compound. That is called stock notation. Let me repeat back theoretically here. When oxidation number of a metal in a compound is represented within parenthesis, what parenthesis is? We call it small bracket. Next to the symbol of the metal in its compound, it is called stock notation. Let's write some example. Suppose we have example, for example, first one, mercury chloride. Mercuric to chloride. So as you can see, the oxidation number is already been given, right? So what we need to do, we'll be writing Hg, and oxidation number has already been given here, and then it's going to be Cl2. Why Cl2? Because the overall charge should be equal. So it's +2 and there is -1 into 2. So this is, if you write a formula like this is called stock notation. Take another example. Potassium oxide, or anyone like tin 4, that's the oxidation number, sulfate. So what is going to be, if you remember, symbol is going to be Sn. Now already been oxidation state given here. Sulfate you have SO4, but as you can see the oxidation number here is +4. So what we need to do, we need to multiply sulfate by twice. So that is also become -4. So writing a formula in this manner, this is what called stock notation. Take another example. Like MnO4 negative. So what I'm going to do write like Mn. The oxidation number is going to be 7. I hope you remember. So 7, and then this is what the thing is. So this is, if you write a symbol like that, this is also stock notation. Take another example. Like, potassium oxide, right? Potassium oxide. This is a superoxide, if you remember. And then it's going to be K. There is going to be 1. And there is going to be, if you remember, superoxide has, so this is your fourth example. So, what is stock notation is? When oxidation number of a metal is written within a bracket next to the symbol of metal in its compound, and if you write the formula, that presentation is called stock notation. And let's take some more example here, chromium 3 chloride. Let's take another example. Chromium 3 chloride. So this is going to be like chromium. There are 3 because that's the oxidation number. Now the question is how much this is going to be. This is going to be like Cr2 and Cr2 Cl6. Cr2 Cl6. Chromium 3 chloride. So this is how you can write the oxidation state. Now the question is, what actually is the significance of this topic? Why this topic was even started? This very small one. I would say this was started by a person, and his name was Alfred Stock. Why he came up with this particular topic? Because as you have seen that an atom in different compound can have different oxidation state. So you just write the formula, you don't get to know what is the oxidation state. So just to make sure that each and every element, each and every metal in a compound is having that oxidation number clear, he started this notification, he started this notation where he placed the oxidation number of the metal next to the element, next to the symbol of the element within the small bracket. So it was just a way to make sure that the metal is highlighted its oxidation state. That's what he did, right? So I have done this very small topic. Let me repeat back so that you understand exactly. Stock notation is about when oxidation number of a metal in a compound is represented within a parenthesis, small bracket, next to the symbol of the metal in compound. It is called stock notation. I have taken some of the example. Probably you understand how you have to do that. And in case you still have problem with that, do let me know, because that's how I can help you, right? So with that, I must wind this very small topic here. I would say thanks for watching, but don't forget to sharing how you feel about. I'm not asking you to share the the videos and all. I'm asking you to share your own thoughts, how exactly good or bad this was. So thanks for watching.